Your car collects a little bit of your everyday life every time you drive it. On the outside, small scratches, swirl marks, road grime, and contamination slowly build up on the paint. Inside, every time you get in, you bring dust, dirt, stains, and everyday wear with you. At first, you barely notice it, but month after month, year after year, it starts adding up. The paint loses its clarity and shine. The interior stops feeling fresh, and one day you realize your car simply doesn't look the way you remember it. That's exactly where this GMC Sierra 1500 Denali was, and why it was time for a complete reset. To bring this Denali back to its best condition, we need to go deeper than a regular wash. We completely decontaminate the paint, deep clean the interior, and finish with our 90% paint correction to remove years of swirls, scratches, and imperfections. 3 different processes working toward one goal, making this truck feel fresh, clean, and exciting to drive again. And after hours and hours of work, here's the result. A complete refresh, inside and out. The paint has its depth, clarity, and reflections back. The interior feels fresh and clean again. And this Denali looks completely different from the truck that first arrived. And that's the best part about a complete maintenance like this. Your vehicle doesn't have to be brand new to look incredible. Years of daily driving, dirt, swirl marks, scratches, and interior wear can make any car feel older than it really is. But with the right process, you can bring so much of that original beauty back. Every car deserves the chance to look its best again. Sometimes, all it needs is the right reset.